Chapter 2. Our Body System. Our body is an amazing living machine. Our body performs so many works at the same time. A man-made machine can do single work at a time. Our body has many internal parts. These perform different functions like breathing, digestion, excretion etc. at the same time. We see only external parts of our body like hands, legs, ears, eyes, nose etc. Our body continuously works all the time. Even if we are asleep, our body parts are working. Our blood flows continuously and our heart beats. We breathe through lungs and hear different sounds with our ears. Our body organs. Have you ever thought how is our body made? The given figure will make you aware about how our body is made. Cells, tissues, organs, organ system, organism, body. Our body is made up of cells just like so many bricks are needed to make a house. Cells are of different kinds. 1. Many cells of the same kind combine together, then a tissue is formed. 2. Tissues of same type unite together to form an organ. 3. Many organs together form an organ system. 4. Different organ systems together form an organism like our whole body. Some organs of our body help us to know about happenings around us. These organs are called as sense organs. Eyes, skin, ears, tongue, nose are our sense organs. Eyes. We see many things around us with our eyes. Skin. We feel hard or soft with our skin. Ears. We hear different sounds with our ears. Tongue. We taste foods with our tongue. Nose. We smell and breathe with our nose. Other organs like lungs, heart, stomach etc. are inside our body. Some organs work together in a group to do one task which called an organ system. So many organ systems lie inside our body. They do different functions in our body. Different tasks like walking, learning, talking, thinking etc. are performed when different organ systems work together. No more. An ENT doctor takes care of our ear, nose and throat. Some organ systems of our body are 1. Skeletal system, 2. Muscular system, 3. Digestive system, 4. Circulatory system, 5. Nervous system, 6. Respiratory system, 7. Excretory system, 8. Reproductive system, skeletal system. There are 206 bones in our body. All these bones together form our skeletal system. 1. All bones are joined together. 2. It gives shape and support to our body. 3. It helps us to move our body parts. 4. It protects soft organs inside our body. No more. Our face is made up of 14 bones. The smallest bone of our body lies inside the ear. Our thigh bone is the strongest bone. The strongest muscle in our body is tongue. Muscular system. All muscles of our body form muscular system. Muscles are joined with our bones and help our body parts to move. Exercise makes our muscles stronger. Digestive system. This system converts the food we eat into simple form. Then this simple food is used by our body. Mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine and large intestine together form our digestive system. Our teeth chew the food in the mouth and break it into small pieces. The saliva gets mixed with the food in the mouth. The food then goes into the stomach through food pipe. The stomach churns the food and then food goes to the small intestine. Digestive juices mix with food in the small intestine to digest it. The blood vessels in the small intestine absorb the digested food and take it to all parts of the body. The undigested food goes into the large intestine. From there it is thrown out of the body through the anus. Nervous system. Our nervous system consists of brain, nerves and spinal cord. Our brain controls all the body actions. We read, learn, think, understand and do all works by using our brain. Spinal cord and nerves help the brain in all actions. Our all sense organs are connected to the brain through nerves. The sense organs send messages to the brain. The brain helps us to understand sound, smell, feeling, taste and picture. Respiratory system. Our respiratory system consists of nose, windpipe and lungs. We breathe in air through our nose. Our nose contains tiny hairs on the inner wall which prevents dust and germs from entering into the body. The air we breathe in through nose goes into the windpipe and then to lungs. The blood takes oxygen from lungs and supply to different parts of the body. Oxygen burns food and produce energy that we use to do all works. We breathe out impure air containing carbon dioxide gas. Healthy breathing habits. We must breathe in fresh air. We should always breathe through our nose and not from our mouth. We should not cover our face while sleeping. Circulatory system. Our circulatory system consists of heart, blood and blood vessels. Heart pumps pure blood to different parts of the body through tube-like blood vessels. The blood absorbs food from intestine and oxygen from the lungs. Thus, blood supplies food and oxygen to all parts of the body. Feel the heartbeat in your chest. Fact: an adult human heart pumps about 7,500 liters of blood every day. Excretory system. Our excretory system includes kidneys and skin. Our skin throws out wastes in the form of sweat and kidneys throw out wastes in the form of urine from the body. Kidney. No more. Our kidneys throw up to 1.5 to 2 liters of urine per day. Reproductive system. Life continues on the earth with the help of reproductive system. The reproductive system helps human beings to produce babies. Our all body systems work properly to keep us healthy. Quick recap. Our body is made up of so many cells. Many cells of the same kind form tissues. Tissues combined together form organs and so many organs unite to form organ system. The various organ systems form our body. We have 5 sense organs. Our body has different organ systems. Various organ systems work together to make a body do different works. Skeletal system, muscular system, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, nervous system and reproductive system.